Today we're making lemon brownies. If you're a big fan of lemon, then this recipe is for you. We're gonna start off by washing and slicing up 2 to 3 lemons. 3 was overkill, 2 would have been better. This recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of lemon juice for the brownies and between 2 and 3 tablespoons for the glaze. Squeeze your lemons. We're also going to quickly zest some of these lemons. We're going to use some of this for the brownies and for the glaze. I still haven't gotten a handheld zester. To a bowl, we're going to add in 8 tablespoons of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to give this a quick mix. Add in 2 eggs at room temperature. Give that a quick mix. We're going to add in some of our lemon zest. Be sure to save some for the glaze. We're also going to add in 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. As a side note, while you're mixing these ingredients together, it might look like your batter is curdling. It's okay, just keep mixing. It'll look more normal once we add in our flour. Add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix this by hand until it's just combined. To an 8x8 parchment-lined baking dish, add in the batter. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. I left mine in there for a full 30 minutes. Once your brownies are done, let them cool completely before adding on the lemon glaze. To a small bowl, we have 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Add the rest of your lemon zest and anywhere from 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I started off with 2 tablespoons and then added the last remaining tablespoon when I realized this definitely was going to need that last little tablespoon worth. I ended up putting my brownies back in the baking dish as I wasn't sure how much this glaze was going to spread before it set. I'd rather it make a mess in the dish than all over my counter, thank you very much. Once your glaze has set, or in my case mostly set, take a knife and cut some slices. I did find this recipe on Pinterest. Would I say these taste like brownies? Not really. I'm so used to the taste of chocolate when I bite into what I think is a brownie. I'm not sure if I would call these brownies, although I can't think of any other alternative name for these, so I guess I'd have to say these are lemon brownies. I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that want to make this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.